of Ramadan, when hearts are soft, when lights are gone. We stand alone, yet not alone. Each whispered prayer is clearly known. Through hunger, tears, and self-control, we mend the cracks within the soul. Every step we try to make is for your sake, is for your sake. If this world is not our home, then guide us where we truly belong. Jannah waits beyond the pain, beyond the loss, beyond the rain, where tears are wiped, no hearts will break, no fear to face, no goodbyes to take. Jannah wakes so pure, so near, promise to hearts sincere. Ya Allah, let us be among those who finally see. And if our time with thankful hands, we taste your mercy small but grand. If water here feels like a gift, what more in Jannah do you give? Forgive the sins we try to hide, accept the good we do with pride. Not perfect deeds, just hearts that try, hoping still for paradise. Ramadan trains our souls to rise, to trade this world for higher skies. Jannah waits beyond the pain, beyond the loss, beyond the rain, where mothers smile, fathers rest, where every soul feels truly blessed. Jannah waits, no night, no end, where broken hearts are whole again. Ya Allah, let us be among those you choose to free. When the grave feels dark and tight, be our comfort, be our light. Let the fast, the tears, the prayers be doors that open paradise. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, this hope is all we bring. Jannah waits, not earned by pride, but mercy vast as every sky. If we fall, still let us stand, holding tight to your command. This Ramadan we ask again, write our names with righteous men. Ya Allah, let us be from the people of Jannah eternally. Until that day we walk in light, with Ramadan still in our sight.